guys, welcome back to my channel, Rosé, with another video for you guys today. Today I'm going to be doing a first impression / makeup tutorial using the Aaliyah and M.A.C collaboration. So I didn't get everything from her collection. Like, I didn't really like the bronzer. It was too subtle. I tried it on at the M.A.C store and it was actually too subtle, so I didn't want it. I got the eyeshadow palette, of course. I got the Follow Your Heart lip pencil. This is the red one. And I also got the Hot Like lipstick. But my favorite, I had to get it. I did see reviews before I went to the store and go pick it up. And I actually love this one lip gloss that they had. So this one is the Brooklyn Born one. And obviously I'm going to be using this one today. I'm not putting on red lip. I really don't do red lips. But the lady at the counter kind of like talked me into it. She showed me how to put red lipstick on and stuff like that. So I was like, okay, I'll go ahead and buy it. But these were really all I really wanted. Anywho, they gave me this Aaliyah and M.A.C picture, which I think is like pretty dope. It has the message on the back that says, "Congratulations on your Aaliyah purchase. We're excited to share our love of Aaliyah with her biggest fans. You are invited to return for a free 30-minute service with a M.A.C artist. Bring your favorite picture of Aaliyah and let them help you recreate her 90s glam look." So I thought that was pretty cool. Obviously, I'm not going to go back to the M.A.C counter so they can do that, but I do love this picture. She has a freaking chandelier hanging from her ear. How gorgeous is that? I don't know. That was like the main thing that I was obsessing over. Anywho, I'm going to stop talking and we can go ahead and get into this tutorial / review or first impressions, whatever you want to call it. Okay guys, so first to get started, I'm going to be using my M.A.C spiked eyebrow pencil and I'm just going to fill in my brows. Alright, so I had to put pins in my hair because my hair wouldn't stay out of my face while I was trying to draw my brows and it was like really annoying. Anyway, now that they're drawn on, I'm just going to comb them out a little bit because my eyebrow hairs are like really wild. Like, they don't stay still. So I'm going to be using my Benefit Brow Gel. I can find it. It should be here somewhere though. If I can't find it, then oh well, because I'm not going anywhere. It's like 8 o'clock at night. I'm going to clean up my brows just a little bit because really they're fine. I just want to clean them up a little bit so they'll look a lot better. And of course, I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I use the shade Light Medium. My brow gel is right here. I didn't even see it. That's how you know I'm blind. Contacts does me no justice. Now that my brows are done, I'm going to go ahead and move on to the eyes. I pulled some of that Tarte Shape Tape down to my eyes, but I didn't really prime it the way that I wanted to. So I'm going to go ahead and just put a little bit more on my lids so they can really be primed and ready for the eyeshadow, because I want the shadow to have something to stick to. This is the eyeshadow palette and this is the colors that they have inside. They're actually really pretty. I see that there are like maybe 2 mattes. One is like a sparkly matte and then the rest of them look like they're shimmers. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start out with this color in the middle. I can't read how they are on the back, so I have it on my phone. The color in the middle is called That Somebody, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to place this on my crease. Oh, I picked up way too much product. It's way more pigmented than I thought. So hopefully this doesn't look crazy. I'm doing windshield wiper motions, but I'm also doing like circular motions as well, just to make sure I'm blending it out the way that I want it. So the next shade that I'm going to use, I'm going to go in with Princess of Soul, which is this brown color that's right next to the middle color that I just used. Now that that's done, I'm just going to take a little bit more concealer so I can clean up the lid a lot more, since we do have a lot of dark colors on the lid, and I'm going to be going in with one of these lighter colors. I was trying to stay away from like a bunch of gold colors and stuff, but because of the outfit that I have on, I guess I should. So I'm gonna go ahead with this gold color right here, and this color is called Creative Copper, and I'm going to apply this over my lid. I went to M.A.C and forgot to pick up some more Fix Plus. I'm so upset right now. This color is super pretty. Oh my god, the more that you pack this color on, especially like if the brush is wet. Oh, this is gorgeous. Really don't have that like no Fix Plus, and I can't believe I forgot to pick some more up. So taking that brush that I had applied the two matte shades with, I'm going to go ahead and just, with no product in it, no more product on it, I'm just going to go back over my crease just a little so we can blend it out. It doesn't look too harsh. Now I'm going to go in with this bottom shade right here. It's called Dance in the Dark, and I'm going to pack that onto my outer corner. I'm just going to dab and pull it into the crease just a little, but not too much. I'm going to focus it towards the outer corner. Now taking my wipe, I'm going to just clean it up. There was only just a little bit of fallout, but it wasn't nothing that I would really complain about. Like, it's really slight. It's not a lot, like I said. However, there's like this little red bump right here above my eyebrow. I don't know if you guys can see that. And I do have like a little bit of blemishes. So I am going to take my Morphe color wheel, and I'm going to just do a little bit of color correcting before I apply my foundation. I don't really break out like that no more. When I was a teenager, I used to break out a lot. It just pissed me off. So for foundation today, I'm going to be using the M.A.C Studio Fix. Yep, Studio Fix Fluid, and this one is in the shade NC42. I haven't used this bad boy in so freaking long. Oh my gosh, it's been years. So I'm going to put some of this on my hand. I hate these. I swear I love the Pro Longwear foundation so much better because they have the pump. I hate foundations that does this. So I'm just going to put some on my brush, a kabuki brush, and this is my Sigma kabuki brush, by the way. This is number F80. I'm just going to start applying this over to my face. Now I'm gonna go over it with my sponge. Make it look prettier. And more pretty. More smooth. We're gonna blend this out. ahead and fix my brows a little later. I'm so annoyed with this foundation right now. I don't even know why I used it. I think I was just trying to use almost all of my MAC products. But you know what? I can't even find my highlighter pen from MAC that I used to use for my highlighting on the face. So, I mean, I guess I really didn't have to because I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape. I'm going to set my brows with this Brow Gel from Benefit because I'm tired of them moving out of place. It's not even my favorite brow gel. Like, this thing sucks because it's the applicator, really. The applicator doesn't really pick up no product. So, I mean, sorry if it seemed like I'm ranting. I'm just getting fed up with my makeup products today for whatever reason. Next, I'm going to highlight my face, and I'm going to go back into the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Going to this. Yes. What the heck is going on at this time? So somebody just delivered a package to my doorstep. Somebody just really delivered a package to my doorstep. It's like 9:41 p.m. It's almost 10 o'clock. I didn't even know they still deliver packages this late. Okay, so now I'm going to set my under eyes, and this time I will be baking. Of course, I'm using none other than the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I am still mad, Patrick Starr, still mad. I need you to relaunch your Patrick powder with MAC ASAP. Alright, and so I guess while this is baking, I'm going to go ahead and contour my face. I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Highlight and Contour Palette, if I can find it. And I'm going to be using the one in the middle. Alright, so now I'm going to just dust all of this stuff away. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my Hoola bronzer from Benefit, and I'm going to bronze up my face. Of course, I'm using my favorite blush, and since we're doing MAC products, I figured why not. So this is my Pinch Me blush. But I also like to pull it up, of course, because I want it to look like a natural blush. Now that that's done, I'm going to go back to my eyes. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go back into the Aaliyah MAC Collaboration Palette. I'm going to take this color right here, Princess of Soul, and I'm going to put it underneath my eyes. Alright, and I did not know that my camera had stopped recording, so I had also put this dark shade right here. I think it was called like Dancing in the Dark, towards like the outer quarters of the bottom lash line. And I also took my Maybelline Eye Studio in the shade Black, and I put my eyeliner on my lids. I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex, and I'm using the waterproof one. I like this one. I put them on the bottom lashes after I already had my falsies on, and I finished the rest of my face. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply my lashes off camera, so I'll be right back. Alright you guys, this is the finished look. I don't know about you guys, but I'm really feeling this look. It's giving me more so of a night, summertime vibe. Like, I could definitely do this look when I go out with my girls after work, or like on the weekends, you know, for a few drinks or something like that. I'm really gonna do that because I love this look. I do actually want to take the time to go over the products that I bought, so I'm gonna go ahead and do some swatches for you guys. Now, the first swatch that I'm gonna do, I think this is called Love Smoke. Yeah, Love Smoke. It's this silver color right here. Ooh, it's really pretty. But I'm gonna go ahead and go like this for you, just because it looks better when you swipe it. I don't know if you can see it, but I really love this. Second color is Magic More. This color up here. This is really pretty. I'm gonna swatch it. Ooh, that was actually a lot. So it's like this. Third color is Care For You, which I love that song, by the way. I'm not even gonna start saying. Ooh, really, really pretty. It's this nice purple color. Ooh, it's like a cranberry purple color. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this one. We also have Creative Copper, which I used all over my lid, but I'll still go ahead and swatch it for you. Like, it's really gorgeous. Next color is this middle color, That Somebody. Use this one too. You can barely really see this one. So the next shade is Princess of Soul, and it's this brown shade that I had also put in my crease. So it looks like that. Then next we have Deception, which is this color right here in the bottom corner. Swatch it for you. Next shade we have Ginger Snap, which is this middle one on the bottom row. It's like a little pinky rose, something like that. Ooh, it's really pretty. And the last shade, of course, is Dance in the Dark, which we put on, or which I put on my outer corner. Alright, next we have the lipstick, lip pencil, and the lip gloss. I'm wearing this one, but I'm still going to swatch it anyway, just so you guys can see it. And again, this is Brooklyn Born. It's gorgeous. It's more so like a shimmery champagne color. So next we have the red lipstick, which is Hot Like. And it's really, really pretty. Like, it's super red. And I don't really wear red. I don't know why. I don't really think that it looks good on me. But I do want to start wearing red lips. So that's why I picked this up. And I had also picked up the lip pencil, which is Follow Your Heart, which looks like this. As far as all of the products go that I bought, I really like everything. I don't feel like I wasted any money. The only thing that I wish this thing had was a mirror on the inside, but that's okay. I mean, I still have like my own separate compact mirror from Sephora, but it would have been better and more convenient if it was a mirror in this palette, but it's not a big issue. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time, babies. Bye.